Good day to you all. What we are going to talk about today is that how to remove a watermark and how to add a sticker to a short animation video or any video. So let me click on this video. This is the video. So that's it. So let me click on text. You click on text. So let's animate. Let me see them. The text should be border, should be shadow, let's put on then shadow. The text you may choose, that's I choose black for the text. You may change the color, you may change it to any color, but for the sake of this then the border you may change the color, you may change any color you want, but let's use white. Then shadow, then this is the shadow. You may adjust it to the up, adjust it, you may left, right, you may adjust the border. So then label, that means that label means the background of the write up. So you can change the background, change it. Let's use something like this. Let's use ash color. Let's use something like this. So opacity is how you want the write up to be. Well, I will leave it like 100. I will leave it 100 is okay. So let's add our watermark. So that so you need to adjust this because it will ask you, is it from the first video, it will show or how. So you need, let me adjust it and see how. Let us see. So let's add sticker to our video. Let us sticker. I think this one is okay. We can add this one also. This one also. So let's see. BVN no kọ́kọ́ sí wọn nígbà kí ní bí. So as you can see, we save it. So let's we have it's successfully saving now. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks. When it finish converting, then it will enter your gallery. Thanks for watching this.